Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to use your Walmart gift card or how to redeem the Walmart gift card on Walmart website or on Walmart app. So first of all, to do that, you need to have Walmart account and you need to be logged into your Walmart account on the Walmart website or app. After you are logged in, the page looks similar like this on the Walmart website or on the app. And there on the top right side of the screen, you can see account option. You have to tap on that. And now again, go to account, which is the second option. Now you can see many options. You have to go to the payment methods, which is the third option under manage account. So click on it. Now you will get options to add credit card or debit card or gift cards, EBT cards. To use your gift card, you have to tap on add a gift card and enter the card details and tap on save. This is all that you have to do to use your gift card that you got. So this is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you guys, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.